teachers and all my dear friends. I am Farhan UP of class 11. Let me ask you a question. What is today's specialty? Yeah, today is World Students Day. World Students Day is to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on October 15th annually. United Nations Organization conduct this occasion to felicitate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and to remark his achievements and goals. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam stated that every student should hold an ambition in their life and get knowledge through all sources available. And he also says that all students should work hard and should not be defeated by the problems, and you need to defeat the problems. And also he says that you need to gain the success. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam presided over as the 11th President of India in 2002, and he was commonly known as People's President. His birthday is dedicated to all students because he chose to spend most of his days with students. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birthday is celebrated as Students' Day because students everywhere in the world to make multiculturalism and diversity among the students. This day is to mark and make the growth of the students and to encourage them and to lead them in the right path. The primary goal of World Students' Day is to make students aware of the achievements of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The achievement of India's primary goal is to commitment and love with students and education that define his personality. And on this very occasional day, I am very proud to be a student, and I wish all of you a happy Students' Day. Thank you.
World Students' Day is celebrated every year on October 15. The day is celebrated in honor of the birth anniversary of former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Since 2010, the United Nations Organization UNO has marked October 15 as World Students' Day in an attempt to acknowledge the efforts of Dr. Kalam towards education and the students. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He worked as a scientist and administrator at the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Space Research Organization. Kalam also gave invaluable contributions towards developing India's civilian space and military missile programs before becoming the 11th President of India. Often referred to as the Missile Man of India for his work and People's President for his term at office, Dr. Kalam was well known for his insightful lectures to students and motivated them to achieve academic excellence. The theme for World Students' Day 2020 was Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace. This theme highlights the centrality of development ambitions for our centrality with humanitarian objectives. It reaffirms the role of education as a fundamental right, a public good, and an enabler of UN 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development.
Do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talent.
Learning is creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great.
Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person.
Hari Om.
You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits will change your future. Thank you. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life.
Hari Om. My name is Lakshmi Priya. I am studying in 7th A. Today I would like to speak a few words about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. His full name was Abul Pakir Jainaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was popularly known as Missile Man of India. He was born in a middle-class Muslim family. Since the beginning of his days, he was very hardworking and a diligent person. He helped his family to earn livelihood along with his studies. He was the 11th President of India and served the country. He was also a famous scientist who have worked with highly famous organizations like DRDO and ISRO. He was died in July 27, 2015 due to cardiac arrest. Thank you.